All right, I'm back. I'm going to explain the second part of assignment 3, pages 11 and 12. So we scroll down. Here's page 11. Now we are using unit rates to convert measurements. So I'm going to do number 1 with you. It says Susan has a 12-inch board for constructing a wooden chair. The directions say to use a board that is 29 centimeters long. Is her board long enough to cut? Well, if the directions say that she needs a 29 centimeter long board, we're going to need to figure out how many inches is 29 centimeters. And if it's 12 or less, yes, she has a long enough board. So it'll always give you the conversion. So in this instance, 1 inch is going to be equal to 2.54 centimeters. And we need to find out how many inches, x, because inches is on top over here, inches on, is 29 centimeters. So you're going to cross multiply. 29 is going to be equal to 2.54x. This means you're going to have to divide by decimals. You're going to have to take 29 divided by 2.54. Remember, when you divide, to move the decimal on the divisor to make it a whole number. And however many times you need to move that decimal, you do the same to this number. So if we had to move it twice to make it 254, we would have to do the same for whole number 29. So you're actually going to take 2,900 divided by 254. Now, there's no need to keep on going if it's a repeating or a non-terminating decimal. You really just want to know, is this whole number here going to be 12 point something, meaning she's going to need more than 12 inches of board, or is it going to be something that rounds up to 12 or something below 12? So don't kill yourself doing the division. Just do enough so that you know if 12 is enough. So you'll continue doing this. There's three more problems on that page. And then the second page is the same thing. There are 4 problems. So you have 7 problems to do like that. Let's do one that looks a little different from the others. Number 4 on page 11. The reason why I say it looks different is because every problem has given you a conversion, and this one didn't, so I want to check it out. It says Keith works 8 hours per day for 5 days per week. Melba works 2,250 minutes each week. Who spends more time at work? Okay, the reason why they didn't give you the conversion is because you know how many minutes are in an hour. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So what you're going to have to do is, I assume that Melba's week is the same amount of days as Keith's week. Let's assume that it is for this problem. They both are doing 5-day work weeks. We're going to have to figure out, is 2,250 minutes less than, equal to, or greater than 8 hours? So to figure that out, you would take the total number of minutes, 2,250, and divide it by 60, because there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. If you wanted to set up a conversion, you can go like this: 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Set it equal to the 2,250 minutes that Melba works. That's quite a name. And here's our x, and you do 60x equals 2,250. So you would still end up dividing this number by 60. If you can do it without filling this out, go ahead for some of these, but it is kind of helpful to see it and double check that your mental thinking is correct. So that's why they didn't give you a conversion here. Let's scroll down and see if there's, and there we go. We've got that, and that'll be all right. It says, yep,